Welcome to Fast Track Tutorials. My name is Emil Sliegers, I am a lead 3D environment artist, and in this course I will guide you step by step through the process of creating an entire environment from start to finish, even if you have little to no experience. We've made this course even more special by creating it in 3 different software programs: Blender, 3ds Max and Maya, so that you can choose the modeling software that you are most comfortable with. In addition to these programs, this course will also cover ZBrush, Marmoset Toolbag, Substance Painter, Substance Designer, Unreal Engine 5, SpeedTree, and a bit of Photoshop. This might sound overwhelming, but rest assured that we have organized this course in a way that makes it easy to navigate. We'll start by planning out our environment and setting up our project folders. Next, we'll give you an introduction to the modeling software you prefer and Unreal Engine 5, which we'll use to create the blockout of our environment. From there, we'll show you how to turn the blockout into final models using various techniques like modular asset creation, high to low poly asset creation, and sculpted asset creation. We'll also cover how to do UV unwrapping and baking of our models. After that, we will go over on how to create procedural materials in Substance Designer, as well as creating unique textures in Substance Painter. Finally, we'll put the entire environment together in Unreal Engine 5, covering topics like setting up assets, creating materials and decals, lighting, level art and composition, and creating our ivy foliage in SpeedTree. We'll finish this course off with some final polish and creating our portfolio screenshots and videos. With over 25 hours of content, I'm confident that at the end of this course you'll have the skills needed to create various types of environments, big and small. This course is designed for beginner artists, and while it is helpful if you have knowledge of the softwares mentioned, it is not a requirement. This course will also come with auto-generated subtitles in English, Chinese and Spanish. I hope that you will enjoy this course and that it will have a positive impact on your life. Once again, my name is Emil Sliegers, and thanks for watching Fast Track Tutorials.